Welcome back. Goenche, Xetkarnacho, Ekvott and village groups of Goa have strongly demanded scrapping of the newly drafted Regional Plan 2021. The groups want government to expedite the drafting of a new regional plan.
GXE, with support of various NGOs, members of village level committees and other concerned citizens, hereby demand that the RP 2021 be scrapped immediately and a new plan be formulated at the earliest. After scrapping the RP 2021, we expect the government to come forward with a proposal for consultation with the public soon. We will keep a vigilant eye to make sure that the new RP 2021 is in the interest of the people and the land of Goa.
Goenche, Xetkarnacho, Ekvott and village groups of Goa have criticized Goa Bachao Abhiyan for their continued demand to rectify the existing Regional Plan 2021.
This continued insistence of the GBA to defend the RP 2021 in the light of all the evidence produced to demonstrate its disastrous shortcomings is incomprehensible. They should gracefully accept the verdict of the people and continue to work in the interest of the people of Goa.
Delano DeCosta of village groups of Goa says that government should first enforce law and order and discipline in the government departments before drafting a new regional plan.
आणि डिपार्टमेंट डिसिप्लिन ना हे लॉ ऑर्डर डिसिप्लिन पयलीं करपाचें मिस्टर पारीकारान आनी तेज उपरांत हे रिजनल प्लॅन करपाचो नाजाल्यार रिजनल प्लॅन केन्ना कंप्लीट जावपाना कित्याक जाता तितले पडून वतले.
Frankie Montero of village group says people were not taken into confidence before drafting the plan. He has demanded that Regional Plan 2021 should be denotified first and new plan should be formulated with people's participation.
The people's participation has been bypassed, and that is the reason there is no scope for correction and rectification. It has to be denotified first and then a new plan has to be formulated with the people's participation.
A reporter from Margaon, Savio dies.
A bike rider died in a tragic accident at Goenche in Konkan on Tuesday. Pillion rider is lying in a critical state and is admitted in the GMC. Police say it is a hit and run case. Nobody has been arrested as yet in this case.
Bosco Carvalho, age 66, died on the spot on Tuesday. He was accompanied by his wife Emmy Carvalho. She is seriously injured and is shifted to GMC. Carvalho couple are residents of Char Rasta in Konkan. The couple was on a two-wheeler and car hit the bike from the front. It is a hit and run case. Konkan police are on the job to track the vehicle. Our reporter from Konkan, Babesh Borkar.
It would be much easier and quicker for the food vendors to register themselves for licensing purpose. The Directorate of Food and Drugs Administration has started online registration and licensing system. The department has organized an awareness program to popularize the newly introduced system at major cities in the state.
FDA had organized an awareness program in Panji on Tuesday. Department is demonstrating the procedure of online registration and licensing system. Around 50 to 60 food vendors from the capital city attended the awareness program. Director of FDA Salim Velji says that this online process will make the work of applicant and the department much easier.
A food vendor would be required to remain in a comfort zone and file his application online and just with minimum documents. And he would also be in a position to maintain a track of his application, at which stage his application is lying with the officers, and also if there is any inspection to be conducted on that premises, the software will generate an alert by way of SMS, inform the vendor the date of the inspection so he can remain present, and in that way he also helps us in the speedy disposal of his food application.
Such awareness programs will be held in other major cities of the state.
We have focused ourselves to the 5 major cities of the state: Panjim, Margaon, Mapsa, Vasco, Ponda, which has commenced today with 13th of March at Panjim with the support of the Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry, where we have provided a platform for the wholesalers, retailers, hoteliers, industry to interact, and with the able support of the faculties from the National Institute of Smart Government, who will demonstrate the entire usage of the online software.
Our reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez.
IEIBS Academia Institute organized a seminar on MBA in Media Management in Panji on Sunday. Business head of Sarega Ma Aditya Shastri says that media as a career is satisfying and financially rewarding.
I think it's the time for media in India is now. Time for media wasn't when I was in college. When I was in college, and I'm sure you will remember, media meant Doordarshan and Vivid Bharati. That's what media meant at the Times of India. Today, I seriously doubt anybody ever turning on Doordarshan. It was the only thing that I got to see. I got to see Chitrahar and Chhaya Geet and Kill Bill and programs like that. I don't know whether some of you remember it or not, but I remember growing up watching this kind of entertainment. Today's children, I don't even think they know what that sound of Doordarshan was when Doordarshan channels used to start on air. It was something that came from, I don't know where. If I hear the sound now, I get up in the middle of the night thinking something's gone wrong. Media, thankfully for India, and India is a democracy and we should all be happy about it. This democracy allows media to be exposed in the right fashion and people to choose careers that will be rewarding for them. And if there's one thing that I want you to leave from here, is that a career in media is going to be extremely satisfying, financially rewarding, and very, very stable for any student who chooses to take that as a career. That media is the ability to allow a two-way communication to happen to people for something that they want to know about.
Our video journalist from Panji, Devendra Gaonkar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.